Hello! Happy vlog. It's July. I just filmed a video and oh god, what is my face like? Why did I do that? Okay, hey guys, welcome. My name is Brittany. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna get into it. It's gonna be a vlog of getting stuff done and eating Taco Bell, and that is balanced and natural, and we love it. First and foremost, hi, if you're new here, my name is Brittany, and yeah, I'm doing things today. We're gonna do laundry. I filmed a video. We're gonna try and edit. We're gonna watch scary movies because I love that. We're gonna just like clean up and stuff. I have to show you guys this. The laundry situation is dire because, do y'all see that? Why does it look like ET is under my freaking laundry? That has been spooking me out, so we'll do the laundry. Oh, but first we got a shower. It's like 2:50. I just DoorDashed some Taco Bell, so it should be here in like 20 minutes. And I think we need a nice shower to make us feel ready to take on the day, even though I've been up since 9. So, what am I gonna wear today? The same thing I wore yesterday. Because yesterday, y'all, I got ready at like 6 p.m. So, the fit is gonna be, wow, so cute. Gray sweatpants, black bralette, tan tank top. See you soon. Okay guys, so I probably have a really weird thing in my hair from wearing my Oculus, but it's about 7:30 now. I haven't really done anything yet except shower, get Taco Bell, and I did a workout, a supernatural workout. So now I want to tackle the living room. So I have been out here all day. This is probably your guys' first look at the new setup. It's really, really cute, but you can see Clarence has been chewing up a bunch of new toys, and I still have all my planner stuff out. Everything's just kind of a mess, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw something on the TV and get this living room together, and I'll take you guys with me.